In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a mascot for marketing using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, click on the Create Design or Image Generation tab to open the AI image editor. Now, think about the type of mascot you want. It can be a brand character, animal mascot, or even a fun cartoon-style spokesperson for your business. Then enter a detailed prompt describing your mascot. Here's a sample prompt you can use. A friendly cartoon mascot for a tech brand, smiling robot character, modern and clean design, vibrant colors, marketing style illustration, high detail, vector style, white background. After that, choose your preferred style settings and set the aspect ratio depending on where you'll use it, square for logos or vertical for social media posts. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Artistly create your mascot. You can then refine the design by adjusting the prompt or regenerating until you get the perfect result for your brand. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.